Pull it down, man.
You ready?
Man, I ain't doing nothing, man. Pull it down, man. Oh. Scared.
It's gonna be a blackbird.
It won't hurt you.
Oh. Is it dead?
No.
You sure it ain't dead?
Nah.
Why, you see it?
Nah. It's like little pieces.
Okay.
Hey, you got the feathers, man.
Are you?
Oh. Man, go. Grab this thing, man, before it come all the way out.
Alright, just get on me. That thing dead.
They couldn't be dead.
It was just moving around.
Isaiah, don't push me
I
into
can
it.
push you, man. Just grab that thing.
I'm gonna need another hand.
No, you don't. Just.
You got it.
Oh! Come on, man. Alright. Get off me.
Busy, don't lean on the door. My hand's behind it.
Come on. I'm right here, busy.
Wait till he lands.
What are you doing?
It's not the same bird.
Oh, what is it? What are they doing?
Come on, man. Get
land.
Let's fight right for you, man.
Let it land.
Get the bait.
What are you doing?
Hey, we got it. We got it.
Good job. Good job. Hang on to him tight.
Come all the way outside.
Okay. Go open the front door.
Let him go. Don't let him
Don't
go.
let him go. It'll be hard to catch him in the house. Don't let him bite you.
Sorry.
Here, go get something. Here. This is on. It's already on.
Hey, we got this though. You.
Come on, man. Say cheese. Let that go.
Not by the front door.
He flew away.